have been hanging out in your drugstore's vitamin aisle lately, you have probably bumped into the newest cool kid on the block, Biotin. Sellers of this beauty supplement make some pretty big promises. People claim it can give you hottest nails, hair that's sleek, and flawless skin that could only otherwise be achieved by a snuff filter. Today's video will discuss the major Biotin side effects you should know about. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. It's cheap and easy to access over the counter, so it comes as no surprise that women are popping Biotin in drops. But is this supplement really the godsend it claims to be? And are there any Biotin side effects of Biotin you should know about? What is Biotin anyway? Biotin is a B-complex vitamin that's found in many foods, including eggs, milk, nuts, and grains. One of the effects of Biotin is that it helps turn the carbohydrate, fat, and proteins in the food you eat into the energy you need. Because it's water-soluble, excess Biotin isn't stored in your body. It actually just flushes right out of you when you pee. But if you follow a healthy, balanced diet, it's likely you already get all the Biotin you could possibly need anyway. But do you really need a ton of Biotin too? Yeah, no, live well. Biotin deficiency is extremely rare because our body requires only a very small amount, which is easily achieved if you are eating a relatively normal American diet. Tell me, does Biotin work for hair growth? Don't get too excited. A few studies pointed to Biotin as an effective supplement for hair growth, but the cold hard truth is that there isn't much scientific proof to show just how effective it really is at treating any of these health conditions, or whether there are long-term benefits to the dietary supplement. Does Biotin have side effects? Truth is, you are most likely never going to hear about someone adding on Biotin. It almost never happens. Side effects from having a high dose or overdose of Biotin are rare because it is so easily excreted in urine and feces. The body can simply get rid of any excess. Another potential Biotin side effect. While it's supposed to strengthen hair, skin, and nails, it could cause a skin rash if you are taking a large amount of Biotin. Your doctor if you develop a rash after taking Biotin or increasing your dose. It should resolve itself if you lower the amount of Biotin you are taking or stop taking the supplement altogether. Should I ever bother taking Biotin? Honestly, probably not. Thanks to its lack of scientific backup and its reputation as a lab test saboteur, Biotin isn't generally recommended by most doctors. But if you still want to take it anyway, just make sure you are buying a reputed brand and are aware of the side effects. In terms of how much Biotin you need, the recommended adequate intake level for Biotin is up to 30 micrograms for women 19 years old and up. Pregnant women should consume 30 micrograms, 35 if nursing. But remember, if you are eating a healthy diet that includes meat, seeds, nuts, and vegetables, you are most likely reaching this intake already, and the Biotin side effect might not be worth it. If you are skipping certain foods or food groups, it's good to talk to a registered dietitian to help you find which nutrient you might be deficient in and whether you need to supplement or just eat more of other foods. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.